Congratulations for using the AutoWatch Ghost Immobiliser to enhance your vehicle protection. Now here are 5 things that you have to make note of and implement. First of all, the disarming code. Your installer has presented you with a generic disarming code. Make sure you change that to a combination only known by you. Secondly, this card came along with other documents for the Ghost. On the top section, there is an emergency code. Make sure you scratch, reveal the number and save it. Save, ideally in your phone, in case you need to reset the Ghost system. Thirdly, on the owner's manual on the first page there is a section with a service button. The installer should have advised you about this and make sure the button is written down as you might need it in order to perform procedure. Fourthly, you should receive a certificate of installation directly from AutoWatch via email within 3 to 5 working days from installation. Make sure you did receive as your insurer might request it. And finally, keep all the documents away from the car in a safe place.